Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Today I am going to explain you Unit 12 Unitary Method. In Unitary Method, my dear children, there are two steps. In step 1, we have to find out the value of 1 by dividing. This you have to remember. Whenever we have to find out the value of 1, then every time we have to divide. And in step 2, we have to find out the value of number that we need, means that will be more than 1. And if we have to find out value of more than 1, then every time we have to multiply. Okay, now I am going to start exercise 12a. See what is first question. Eggs cost rupees 36 per dozen. How much will 18 eggs cost? First you see the meaning of dozen. What is the meaning of 1 dozen? 1 dozen means 12. Now as I told you in the beginning that there will be two steps. In step 1 we have to divide. See now, cost of 12 eggs is given here rupees 36, and you have to find out cost of 1 egg. Whenever we have to find out value of 1, then we have to divide. Okay dear? After dividing, see 12 3s are 36. 3 will be answer, means cost of one thing, cost of 1 egg will be rupees 3. How it has come? By dividing. Now in step 2 we have to find out the number that we need. That we need means here what is this? 18 eggs we have to find out, value of 18 eggs. In this step 2, cost of 1 egg, ये जो हमने step 1 में निकाली थी, जो इसका आंसर आया था रुपीज़ 3, that will be first line of step 2. Cost of 1 egg is equal to rupees 3. Now you have to find out cost of 18 eggs. See, this 18 is more than 1, so here we will multiply. 18 3s are 54. Okay dear? Means answer of step 1 means the number which we have got after dividing, after division, that will be first line of step 2. Okay dear? Answer of step 1 will be first line of step 2. Now see second question. Here it is given in the book 4 bus tickets from Moregaon to Sonagar. Cost is given rupees 720. How much will 10 tickets cost? First you have to find out step 1 by dividing. See, cost of 4 bus tickets is given rupees 720. Now cost of 1 bus ticket you have to divide. Okay, after dividing, after division we got rupees 180. Now this will be value of step 2, first line of step 2. This will be value of first line of step 2, means cost of 1 bus ticket is equal to rupees 180. Okay, now you have to find out cost of 10 bus tickets. Now you have to multiply. That will be answer. Same in third question. 5 liter petrol cost is given rupees 250. You have to find out cost of 20 liters. First we will find out step 1 by division. Here it is given cost of 5 liter of petrol rupees 250. Now cost of 1 liter you have to find out. How will you find out? By division. Okay, that will be rupees 50. Now see in step 2, this cost of 1 liter of petrol, same line you have to write as you had written in step 1, last line. Cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 50. Now cost of 20 liter of petrol you have to multiply. Okay dear, all the questions are same. You will get in your class group by PDF. If any doubt, then you can watch this video again, my dear children. Okay children, thank you very much.